Hi, this is Clay.
ゆみです。
Today we want to introduce our Makoto Plus membership program.
あなたも誠プラスのメンバーになってください。
Makoto Plus is much more than simply a subscription to Makoto e-zine, our monthly digital magazine with all the fun Japanese not found in textbooks. For less than the cost of a single Makoto issue, you can become a Makoto Plus Samurai member. Samurai members receive the newest issue to download, access to 3 Makoto issues in our new interactive web format, a 10% off coupon at thejapanesepage.com, and other benefits such as our popular repetition and shadowing weekly sentence. Our premium Shogun membership includes all that, plus unlimited access to all Makoto e-zine back issues in web format, access to most of our ebooks also in web format, monthly free downloads, a 20% off coupon, access to all past repetition and shadowing sentences, audio stories, and much more. Both plans have no hidden fees, and you can easily cancel at any time. Let's take a look at the Makoto Plus Samurai membership area. In the Makoto Plus Samurai member area, you will find a download link for the latest Makoto issue and a link to the web format. View each article by clicking on the drop-down button. Hear any Japanese by clicking on the play button.
腐った卵とかけまして自業自得と解きます。その心はどちらも気味が悪いでしょう。分身の術、隠れ身の術、春の海、ひねもす、のたりかな。
There are also 2 full stories linked at the bottom, one for beginners and one for upper beginners to intermediates.
日本人はお花見が好きです。春になると桜の花がきれいに咲きます。友達や家族、日本の花見。日本人はお花見が好きです。春になると桜の花がきれいに咲きます。
And for upper beginners to intermediates.
日本の桜。日本の桜。日本の春といえば桜です。
Returning to the members area, we have a special member pricing for our popular digital bundles that changes every week. And repetition and shadowing for this week's topic. Master a sentence's meaning, vocabulary, and pronunciation with repetition and shadowing. Listen to the sentence as many times as you can bear, in slow and normal speed.
今朝京都市のアパート。
Once you understand the meaning, start shadowing the text by mimicking audibly what you hear. And Samurai members get access to all of that. Shogun members have access to that and so much more. See everything from the convenient Shogun menu at the top of every Shogun page. Enjoy unlimited access to all Makoto e-zine back issues. Under the Web Ebooks header, explore all sorts of readers and lessons from our ebooks in web format. view all the content organized by skill level. We have much more content coming soon, such as exclusive daily email lessons and podcasts. We hope you will find Makoto Plus an affordable and fun way to help you with your Japanese. If you have any questions, please let us know.